In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a page URL on Wix. If you've ever needed to update a page URL for better search engine optimization, or simply to reflect a new direction for your content, you've come to the right place. We'll go through the entire process step by step to ensure that you feel confident and capable of handling this task on your own. To start off, head over to the Wix homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to log in if you aren't already. This is your starting point for making any changes to your site. From the home page, look toward the top of the page and click on your profile icon. This will usually be located in the upper right corner. Bringing up your profile options is a gateway to accessing more detailed settings for your account and website. With that clicked, you'll then need to follow up by selecting the Account Settings option from the drop-down menu. This is where a range of configurations for your site can be found, including the option to change your page URLs. Once in the account settings, you're getting close to the action. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section because it can be quite handy for future tweaks and updates you might want to make. Now, look for the site URL prefix, which is the part of your site's address you are aiming to update. Alongside the site URL prefix, you should see a pencil icon. This icon is your friend. It's there to signal that you can edit or customize this particular setting. Go ahead and click on the pencil icon to open this feature. It's a pretty straightforward process, but be sure you're ready with the new URL that you want to use. In the space provided, carefully type in your new URL. Take your time at this step to ensure everything is exactly as you want it. Typos and errors here can lead to broken links and accessibility issues for your visitors. It's also a good opportunity to think about what the new URL says about your content or brand. A clear, descriptive URL can contribute to your site's professionalism and utility. Finally, when you're satisfied with your newly typed URL, you'll see a Save button. This crucial final step will apply the changes. Click on Save to make it official. Your site will then update with the new URL, giving you a fresh online address for your intended page. Congrats, you've done it! This entire process is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, but remember that any changes made can affect how people find and interact with your site. Always double-check everything to make sure your visitors have a smooth experience navigating your pages. Thanks for following along and enjoy your revamped website presence with your updated page URL.